Hello everybody, we're going to SEMA this year, and obviously surprise, this is the car we're bringing. And right now we're just doing a underbody inspection, so call it a SEMA inspection, I guess, whatever. So we're gonna look at things like, we're gonna clean that up, just a general underneath inspection, maybe tighten some clamps down, clean up the bottom a little bit. We took off our shield just to take a look underneath it. Recently, if you saw, we also put in our new prototype radiator, and we also put in our turbo, which you cannot see from the bottom. Oh, you can probably see it right there. So we did a dyno run, made a good power. If you want to watch the whole video, go ahead and click the link. So right now we're just going brief look underneath, clean up everything, wipe down. We have some, liquids here. We also made a mess doing the radiator and the turbo, so there's some leftover new residual stuff, but we have taken around, driving around, etc., so forth. Everything runs fine, everything's good. So right now we're just going to do a quick view of snippets of what we're doing. So right now we can see just cleaning up everything, double checking. Oh, this is cool. We also have our billet plate. I can get a good shot of it right there. A billet plate, because we had changed our camshafts. We had to open this, and the stock one flexed, so we put a billet one in there. And yeah, pretty good. No leaks or anything so far. Anyway, so I want to go ahead and circle back when we're doing everything else. So this is cool. I don't know if everyone's seen it, but there's a little gap here, and I believe that leads to, let me magnify, there you go, the brake rotor. So, it'd be pretty cool if you had like an air scoop here and direct the air right towards in the center of the rear brakes, so you can keep that cool, because in the front there is factory brake cooling, and it goes right in there, which is the center. Now, some kits direct air directly towards the rotor. That's not where you're supposed to direct it towards. You're supposed to direct it towards the middle, have cold air in the middle, and have it push the hot air out. So if you see a brake kit that goes to the rotor, no. Center, yes. Where is it? There it is. So yeah, just food for thought. Okay, so we just did the bottom, everything's fine, and now we're doing the top. Just give a little brief look. So that is, we took out the heat shield so you can see our sexy bolts. And this is our new V2 of our turbo. And this is our radiator. As you can see, it's a little, junky because we were bleeding it. We didn't have time to clean it up whatsoever. But now that SEMA's coming up, this is a good reason to just go through everything and clean up as much as we can. And once again, we're just gonna triple check every single bolt. Everything's tightened, and then we should be good to go and bring in the detail. And we'll see you guys at SEMA on this car. If you guys are going to SEMA, let us know. And we'll put the information for what booth we're in and where we're located when we get more info on it. But for now, I think this is it. And that's all, folks. The Type R is inspected and ready for SEMA. Right now we're just moving it in, out, and parking it temporarily. So we will see you guys at SEMA.